listeners, this is your tutorial for Between the Tea and the Toast, which is a song by Clare Bowditch, an Australian singer-songwriter. This is a choral arrangement in 3 parts. We've got a melody part, a soprano harmony, and an alto harmony. We'll start with the first verse and chorus, which everyone sings in unison. And then I'm going to go through each of the 3 parts for the second verse and the second chorus. And then we'll go through the interlude with each of the 3 parts in turn. And then we won't worry about the last chorus because it's the same as the second chorus. At the very end of the tutorial, you'll have just an audio of all 3 parts mixed together with the words up on the screen. So enjoy. All right, this is the first verse and the first chorus, which everyone will sing together in unison. I'm going to play along on the guitar, and if you're following along on your music, we're just starting there at the top. I'm going to give a little introduction on the guitar. So that's the first verse and the first chorus. Now we're going to move on to the second verse and the second chorus, which for that melody part is a very similar melody and just different words. Now we're moving on to the soprano harmony for verse 2 and chorus 2. So you'll find that on your music on page 2. There's a big on the first line, it says verse 2. Now this will be the middle line. And it starts, the starting note for this bit is oh. So you've got melody, you'll be singing oh, and then the soprano harmony oh. I'll give you a little introduction. Oh, gentle man, you say love's a simple act, and I've wandered from the man. Are you gonna part, which you'll see the third line is the alto harmony. It has a bit of a counter melody, which means that the two other parts will sing something at times and then the alto part will come after it. So what I'm going to do for this one, I'm not going to play the guitar, I'm going to keep a beat. Now the time signature for this one is 6/8, but instead of clapping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm just going to clap on 1 and 4. Otherwise my fingers will fall off. So I'm going to give us 2 bars in, and then you don't sing for the first 1, 2, 3. Hopefully it makes sense if you're following along with your music. So 2 bars in, and then we'll take it away. Now the starting note for this one, it's quite low. Oh. Okay. 1, 4, 1, 4. Oh, gentleman, you say love's a simple land, wandered from the map. Are you gonna take me back? All had quiet days that keep me satisfied. Oh, room to dance between the tea and the toast. So that's it for verse 2 and the chorus 2. Next up we have the interlude, which you'll find on page 3. Now this one is kind of like an instrumental, but just using your voice. So there'll be no words except for the word da. So we're going to sing da 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 da. And that'll be the only word for just this little section. A little bit later on, we're going to introduce a special instrument called the teapot, but that'll come later. We're just going to learn the melody for now. So the top line will be first, and it goes like this. I'll give a 2-bar intro. Next is the soprano harmony. So it sits a little bit higher than the other one and starts a little bit later as well. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, and then it starts. That's it. Finally, the alto harmony for the interlude. So it's got just that little bit on the end that'll lead into the chorus. into the chorus. We don't need to do that again because it's exactly the same as the one from before. So enjoy. Here's the whole song all the way through. Between the T and the toast. Da, 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 da. Between the T and the toast.